Kumusta, kumusta? Nakikita nyo na po ang mga yellow na bulaklak ng dandelion. Mga weeds po sa amin po to. So, kailangan po nating tanggalin po ang mga yan. Kaya, ipapakita ko po. Maglilinis po kami sa bakuran. At yan po, mayroon pong bulaklak na sign na po na pwede na pong magtanim. Kaya, bago po yan, maglilinis muna tayo para magtanim na po tayo ng gusto po nating itanim. Gaya po nasimulan po na namin ni Nana ang pagdadamo at tatanggalin po na po ang mga dry leaves ng mga weeds. Ayan na po. Nakabili na po kami ng mga itatanim, pero hindi pa po handa ang panglilipatan po natin.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never say.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me, I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. Just all I want, and I pray, all I need is some better days. When you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. All I need is some better days. All I want, and I wanna love me, baby, kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live in my pace? You're only young one, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life, doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's living in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome, but try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want.
Yan po yung nakaraang winter na may nahuling ng tanim. At ngayon tumubo na po sila. So it means pwede nang magtanim. Yan na po, ang bilis nilang pong lumago. Masarap po yan sa adobo. Kaya dadagdagan po namin magtanim ng bawang at iba pang gulay. Ayan po, ang bilis ni Elise na magmamulot. Tuloy lang po, hindi pa po mainit, kaya sige lang ng sige. It's early morning. It's 8 o'clock in the morning nung nasimulan po namin naglinis at nagdamo. Ayan po, klinik-clear po ang mga dried weeds. Ayan po, nakabili na po ng matamis na sili. Hindi po manghang yan. Meron po tayong kamatis. Nasa timba na po. Isang sili din na hindi manghang. Meron po tayong kalabasa. Ayan po, salamat sa panonood.